Thanks for coming back, and let's see what are we learning today. So let's go. Hey everyone, this is Mojo Handicrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be learning how to recycle your green tea bags. These are used green tea bags, and I don't want to throw, as I don't want you to throw, and I don't throw the things, the paper basically at home. So I have recycled these. You can cut it and remove the tea from inside, and even chop off the string, and then just stick the bag, the two flips you will get, that you can stick together and leave it for drying. Once it dries, then we are going to work on it. So let's begin. Okay, so let me show you. I have done some of these. I've already done. These were the old green tea bags, and this is how I've converted. First I painted this with my homemade chalk paste, and chalk paint or chalk paste or whatever you say, and then I have stuck these small stickers. These are actually, I have got it from here. You can see this is transfer me from dress my craft. I will share the link in the description box. There are instructions of how to do it, and let me show you how I do it. Okay, so this is a cutout. You have to remove the film first. There is a transparent film on top of the fruit which you have to remove, and once you remove that, see this, once you remove this, you can see then you can put this in a water bowl and just leave it for few seconds, few seconds in the sense just 10 to 15 seconds or maybe 30 seconds. So I have dipped it for few seconds. Just take this and keep it upside down, ऐसे लेके, और इसको आपने ऐसे रखना है, और फिर प्लीज़ डोंट यूज़ क्लॉथ, नहीं तो पूरा पानी सोक हो जाएगा, and once the water is soaked it will tear off, it will not come out properly. Okay, now is the fun part. Let me do little zoom and show you. All right, so this is the fun part. After dabbing it, just slide it slightly like this, and with this you can remove all the bubbles too with very light hand. You can press it and slide out, and it is done. Okay, right? So this is how you have to do it. So we will do the second one in little fast forward mode. You can take a brush, a dry brush, and remove the bubbles like this and leave it for drying. Please don't touch it, otherwise the sticker will come out, because it is in a drying mode and it has an adhesive. जो sticky adhesive है वो इसमें अभी लगा हुआ है. अगर आप इसको गीले में टच करोगे तो ये ख़राब हो जाएगा. और होममेड चॉक पेस्ट कैसे बनाना है, ये सूख गया है और ये भी सूख गया है. होममेड चॉक पेस्ट कैसे बनाना है ये आप मेरे वीडियो से चेक कर सकते हो. आई विल लीव द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो दिस आई हैव रिसाइकल्ड ग्रीन टी बैग्स. ओके, अभी इसको हम थोड़ा पेंट करेंगे और इसको मोर कलरफुल बनाएंगे. ओके, सो as I wanted to make the video very short, so I have already painted all of these stickers or transfer me sheet, you can say. You can leave it black and white also, but I just thought colorful would be better. I am a very colorful person, so that is why I just opted for coloring these tea bags. Okay, so let me show you. This looked like an avocado, so I just painted it green with the light shady side of green. Then this looked like watermelon to me, so I just painted green. These are, I think these are blueberries, that is what it looks like. So I have painted it with purple. Blueberries could be blue also and purple also. And this looked like pumpkin to me, but I think you can also think of watermelon also. So you can paint it green if you want, but I opted for that, so I have colored both of these as pumpkins only. Okay, and this is another berries or grapes or whatever, I don't know, I could not make out, so I just painted, to be on the safer side, I painted purple color. And then this is definitely a pumpkin, so I colored it yellowish, orangish yellow. And this looks like cherry or apple or whatever. So whatever it is, the color red goes better in this. So just don't think of the particular fruit or anything, just color your stickers whichever way you want. These transfer me sheets are basically like how we had tattoos when our kids were small, long back, right, 10-15 years back. So it is the same thing, only thing is that you can color it later. I have not tried any other color, I have been doing only with these watercolors. These are watercolor pens, so they are very smooth to work with. I just got it from one of the shops, stationery shop, I don't know, it must be available in Amazon also. So in the next video I will be showing you how to, next video, first let me make it clear, next video does not mean immediately after this video another video will be coming. Next video means whenever I make a video on tea bags, or whenever I get time, I will be showing you how to use these tea bags, where you can use it, कौन सी जगह पे आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो और कहाँ ये आपके काम आ सकते हैं. इतनी मेहनत करी है तो it should be preserved, right? These are some samples I have already made. I will be sharing the video of this, but let me show you just one glance of these. This is a bookmark and I have also made some gifting tags और बहुत सारी आपको मैं varieties बताऊंगी और ऐसा आपका bookmark लगेगा. और if you've liked my video, do let me know. Please subscribe for my channel and give it a thumbs up. Bye bye, take care.